Today, we are talking about how to increase RPM on YouTube using proven methods. Many creators focus only on views and subscribers, but experienced YouTubers know RPM is one of the most important numbers for making money on YouTube. RPM means revenue per mile, which basically show how much money you earn for every 1000 video views after YouTube takes its share. Two channels may get the same number of views, but one can make much more money because of the higher RPM. So in this video, we will talk about practical ways to improve your YouTube RPM and increase your overall earnings. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to discover useful software tools with special deals and discounts. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to check the link from description, because by using the description link, any offer or discount, they will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video. First thing you need to understand is that niche selection affects RPM heavily. Some niches naturally attract higher paying advertisers. For example, finance, business, software, marketing, AI tools, investing, and online business topics. They usually have much higher RPM compared to entertainment or meme content. This happens because companies in those industries are willing to spend more money on advertising. Another important factor is audience location. Viewers from countries like United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, and Australia usually generate higher RPM because advertisers pay more in those regions. This is why many creators make content in English and target international audiences. Video length also affects on RPM. Longer video allow creators to place mid-roll ads, which can increase total earnings. Many creators aim for videos longer than 8 minutes because additional ads can appear naturally during the content. But remember one important thing: the video should still feeling engaging. Adding unnecessary filler just to increase the length, that can reduce watch time and hurt your channel growth. Another proven strategy is improving audience retention. YouTube rewards videos that keep viewers watching longer. Strong watch time and engagement can help videos perform better, get more recommendations, and generate more revenue over time. This is why intros, pacing, editing, and storytelling are very important even for the educational content. Now, let's talk about advertiser-friendly content. Some topics are considered safer for advertisers than others. Videos with excessive profanity, controversial topics, violence, or sensitive subjects that may receive limited ads. Keeping content brand friendly can help maintain better monetization. Affiliate marketing is another powerful way to increase RPM directly. Many creators earn more money from affiliate commission than YouTube ads themselves. For example, software reviews, tutorial, and business tool videos often include affiliate links in the description. When viewers purchase through the link, creators earn commission. This is one reason technology and software channels often have a strong overall revenue. Sponsorships can also increase total channel income significantly. Once your audience grows, brands may pay you directly to mention the product or services in your videos. Even smaller channel can sometimes get sponsorship opportunities if the audience is targeted and engaged. Another important thing is creating evergreen content. Evergreen videos continue getting views over a long period of time. Tutorials, guides, software reviews, comparisons, and educational videos can keep earning money for months or even years after upload. This creates long-term passive income instead of depending only on viral videos. Thumbnails and title quality also matter because higher click-through rates often lead to more total views and better performance. You should also study your analytics carefully. Check which videos have the highest RPM and try to understand why. Sometimes certain topics, countries, keywords, or audience types perform much better than others. Many successful creators slowly shift their content strategy toward higher performing topics over time. Another smart strategy is building multiple income streams around your channel. Selling digital products, courses, memberships, templates, or services that can increase total revenue far beyond YouTube ads alone. In the end, increasing RPM is not only about getting more ads, it's about choosing the right niche, attracting valuable audiences, creating advertiser friendly content, and building a smarter monetization system around your channel. So that's it basically for today's video. Hope this video helped you to understand proven ways to increase RPM on YouTube and grow your channel income more effectively. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like this video, subscribe this channel, and check the description links for useful creator tools or software offers. Thank you so much for watching Easy Access Tech, and I will see you in the next video.